Hey guys, so I decided to make this video because our garbage disposal started leaking the other day. I had never replaced a garbage disposal in the past, so I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous because I didn't really want to mess things up. But luckily, everything worked out pretty well for me. That's why I'm doing this video, to encourage others and teach others how to replace their garbage disposal. The most important part is to turn off the electric power at the circuit breaker or fuse box. Step number 2 is disconnect drain trap from waste discharge tube. Disconnect dishwasher if connected to the disposer. This is the product that I'm replacing. It's called Insinkerator. It's 1/2 HP. It's the brand is Badger 500, and I got it from Home Depot for $143. Next step is to get the garbage disposal wrench out of the box. Support disposer, insert end of wrench into right side of mounting lug and turn. Disposer will fall free, so you gotta be careful.
Ooh, whoa.
Flip disposer over and remove electrical cover plate. Save cable connector if applicable. In my case, I don't have a cable connector. Next step is to disconnect the disposer wires from the electrical supply.
You're gonna show it at the ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Using a flathead or a Phillips screwdriver, loosen the 3 screws on the mounting assembly. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry off the snap ring. Step number 9 is to remove the flange from the sink. Remove old plumber's putty from sink with putty knife. Next step is to loosen the screws here using a flathead or a Phillips screwdriver, and use a flathead to pry off the snap ring. Using plumber's putty, evenly apply 1/2 inch thick rope of plumber's putty around sink flange. Press sink flange firmly into sink drain. Remove excess putty. Place a weight such as the disposer on the sink flange to hold it in place. Use a towel to avoid scratching sink. These are my two little helpers, my two youngest kids. If you would like to give this channel a tip or if you would like to donate, please do so. Cash app is $, it's Bella Mama. Thank you very much.
Hey. What's your name, sir? Sir, what's your name?
Next step is to insert fiber gasket, backup flange, and mounting ring. Hold in place while inserting snap ring. Pull snap ring open and press firmly until it snaps into place. Okay, next step is turn the disposer onto side and knock out the drain plug with screwdriver. Remove plug from the inside of disposer with pliers or a tweezer. Next step is to turn disposer over and remove electrical cover plate and then pull out the wires. Step is to insert cable connector and run electrical cable through access hole on bottom of disposer, and then tighten cable connector. This disposer requires a switch with a marked off position wired to disconnect all grounded supply conductors installed within sight of the disposer sink opening. 1 HP minimum rating. Slide flange over discharge tube. Insert gasket into discharge outlet. Secure flange and discharge tube to disposer with 2 bolts. Although the supply discharge tube is preferred, a straight discharge tube may be used. Lift the disposal to align with flange. Ensure all 3 mounting tabs on the lower mounting ring are aligned with the lowest part of the 3 ramps of the flange. Slightly push or compress the mounting gasket against the flange and turn the disposal to the right to slide up the ramps. Verify all 3 tabs are engaged on the flange ramps. Last step is to lock the flange in place by using the wrench for leverage. Insert the wrench in one of the hooks on the lower mounting ring and turn right until all 3 tabs are over the ridges on the high side of the ramps.